Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently flying southeast from Succubus Bay towards Port Maria Harbour in search of fishing vessels. To the right is Port Maria Harbour, and just ahead is a fishing boat returning from trolling. Here is a view of Port Maria Harbour, where the Padgy Fishing Village is located. And just ahead is Cabarita Island. The fishing boat ahead is returning to Padgy Fishing Village. Fishing boats are most active at Galena Point, to the left here, trolling for fish. We are now flying north towards Galena Point in search of an active fishing boat. Trolling is a method of fishing where one or more fish lines baited with lures or bait fish are drawn through the water. This may be behind a moving boat or by slowly winding the line in when fishing from a static position, or even sweeping the line from side to side, example, when fishing from a jetty. Trolling is used to catch pelagic fish such as mackerel, tuna, and kingfish. Trolling from a moving boat involves moving quite slowly through the water. Multiple lines are often used, and outriggers can be used to spread the lines more widely and reduce their chances of tangling. Downriggers can also be used to keep the lures or baits trailing at a desired depth. Here's an active boat just below. The two poles extending from the boat are called outriggers, and there you can see the fishing lines attached to the outriggers. The fishermen are refueling. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.